Hey, what's going on everybody? Billy Aiken here. I want to welcome you to this video where today I'm going to be showing you how to get social proof on your website, and this guarantees more sales and conversions for your business. Now this, it doesn't matter what industry or what business you're in or what products or services you're trying to sell. Social proof is essential for you to be able to close the amount of sales that you want to do. So I want you to think of it this way. Have you ever been to a website like this, and then you take a look down below and you see this little pop-up that comes up and it says that somebody has signed up, or somebody has purchased a product, or how many live visitors are on the page. So when you go to a page like this and you see that little pop-up, what that's doing is it's doing something subconsciously to people where people are just going to say, oh wow, this is real, or okay, people are interested in this. And what that does is it increases conversions. Now, I have seen statistics over and over again. When you put that little pop-up on the bottom of your website or your sales funnel, it guarantees you an increase of conversions and sales for your business. So what I want to do now is I'm going to show you right now how you can get your hands on this proven source for generating more sales for your business, how to get social proof on your website. I'm actually going to show you how to install it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install a simple code on your website or your sales funnel, and you'll be able to have this little pop-up that's going to come up, and it's going to create social proof, and it's going to just crush it in your conversion. So for the purpose of this training, I can't exactly show you how to do it on every single platform out there. So we're going to go to my favorite platform, which is ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is what I use for generating the leads for my business, closing sales, everything that I use in my business. I even have a course that I teach business owners and entrepreneurs how to be successful with digital marketing step by step. And the entire course platform is actually inside of ClickFunnels. It's an amazing software. And if you're interested in, checking it out, I have a free trial link inside the description below. But let's go ahead and get started. So I want to put a social proof right over here on this page. This is a digital marketing blueprint that I wrote, and I'll put the link in the description below if you want to grab it. It's free. And I created this sales funnel, and what I want to do is I want to have that social proof pop up right over here, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So we're inside of this software, ClickFunnels, and I'm over here on the actual sales funnel itself. Okay, so here's the very first step, which is the landing page, and we're going to install a code. Now, where are we going to get the code is going to be on one of my favorite softwares. It's called MarketerMagic. I recently discovered this, and I fell in love with it. This actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different softwares in one. And I'm going to tell you guys, it's 100% worth it. I was actually scrambling around on Google trying to find resources for all of these different softwares, and we're talking $300, $400, $500 a month. It's ridiculous. But with MarketerMagic, everything is included. So we're going to click on Click Proof. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new campaign, and we're going to call it Blueprint Offer. We're going to click on Next. And what we're going to do is right here, and by the way, I'm going to leave a link below in the description for you to sign up for MarketerMagic. I believe there's a free trial that you can grab, and you can start utilizing all of this. You can verify emails. You can have an automated email verifier on your website if people provide their email so they can't give you a fake email. You have many leads. You can actually generate leads of business and business owners all throughout the United States, and as a tracking link, where you can create tracking links. You don't have to use Bitly anymore. I mean, it has all kinds of stuff. But let's go ahead and we're going to go through Click Proof. That's going to be what we're going to talk about today, so you can get social proof on your website in your sales funnel. So leave this blank if you're using ClickFunnels. So if you're going to be using ClickFunnels, just leave this blank. But if you're using a different software, all you got to do is just click on Get Need Help, and it'll go through and kind of show you step by step. If you get confused or if you get lost, enter target URL where you want notifications to show. What we're going to do is I'm actually going to open this up in a new page so that I can grab the hard URL, the actual link that it's going to. We're going to go ahead and paste that right over here. And then we're going to click Next. Now, what we want is live visitor count. Now, you could do recent activity, which is people that recently signed up. You could do how many people are currently on your page, or you could do custom. And let's see here. And that's where you can broadcast your ideas or message. You can say Susie, bought this, and then the name of your product. But we're gonna just let's do recent activity and live visitor count. So it's actually going to do both, I think. Let me try to set it up just to make sure. I haven't done this in a few weeks. Let's see here. So it kind of looks like this. Recently downloaded the reports. Let's do recently. Let's just do recently signed up. I'm going to click on preview, and there it is, recently signed up. We can do for the blueprint. Oh, looks like we're out. So we're going to just do recently signed up. All right, and we're going to do preview. We can see what it looks like. That looks great. We're going to click on done. Now we're going to do live visitor count. 2 visitors are viewing this page. That looks good. You can actually upload an image if you want to. That's entirely up to you, but just for the purpose of this, we're going to leave it like that. And then we're going to click on next. All right, so at this point, you only have 2 things that you need to do. The first thing you need to do is you need to create a webhook. And then secondly, you need to install the snippet or the code that's going to be on the funnel itself. Now, again, if you get lost, all you got to do is click on Get Help, and then a video is going to pop up, and then he's going to explain everything to you. But for the purpose of this training, we're going to be, since we're using ClickFunnels, I'm going to show you how to do the webhook. We're going to go ahead and copy this snippet. We're going to go back to the actual funnel itself, click on Settings. Then we're going to create a, let's see here, a snippet, which is going to be a webhook, excuse me. We're going to create, let's see, funnel webhooks. And we're going to do a new webhook. Then we're going to go over here, right here on the URL. We're going to go ahead and paste that snippet that we got from right here. Okay. Now, events, what we're going to do is you're going to do all events. So every time somebody lands on the page, you want to be able to, to be able to show exactly what's going on. And then you're going to go ahead and create funnel webhook. Awesome. Once you're done with that, you're going to go over here to MarketerMagic and click on Add this snippet to your website or funnel. And we're going to copy it. We're going to go back to the funnel, and we're going to go to Steps. We're going to go to Edit Page, and this is going to be on the page that you want to add your social proof. And normally that's going to be on the very first page. Okay. And of course, you can also do this on your sales pages, on your, on your webinar pages. You could do it anywhere you want. But for the purpose of this, we're going to be doing it right over here on the landing page. We're going to go to Settings, Tracking Code, and there we're going to take this snippet right here, and we're going to put it right here on the header. Okay, not the footer, but the header. All right, so here's the code. We're going to click out of here. We're going to hit Save. And then we're going to exit out of the funnel. We're going to go back to MarketerMagic. And we're going to go ahead and click Test My Funnel. Now, a quick note, if you're using Shopify, if you have a Shopify store, you're going to be using this snippet right here. And not the ClickFunnels one. So that's just a quick note for you to be able to do that. We're going to click on Test My Pixel, and that's it. We are all set. And what we're going to do is we're going to, over here on Publish, we're going to go ahead and click that. It's actually going to publish it. We are done. Now let me show you an example. We're going to go over here to the actual funnel itself. We're going to click on to visit the actual URL. But as leads are coming in, it's going to start registering it right over here. Just like it does right here. See how somebody registered for my free training? And here it is, 2 live visitors are viewing this page. And as leads come in, it's going to start just populating it right here. And it's going to do it on a regular basis, just like I have on this page. See, this person registered for the training 3 days ago. And then something else is going to pop up. And 2 live visitors. And it's just going to keep going on and on and on. And so anyway, that is how you install social proof on your website or your sales funnel. All of the links are going to be below this video for you to sign up for MarketerMagic. It's an awesome platform for you to be able to utilize so many different softwares to be able to get social proof. And I'm going to leave a link for you to be able to grab ClickFunnels as well, for you to be able to get this blueprint. And for you, if you want to get additional training on how to become successful in your business, how to basically create a 6-7-figure lead generating machine, copying an amazing method that I have discovered. I'll give you access to this for free. All you got to do is answer a few questions and enter your information. You'll be able to access that training for free. If this is your first time here, make sure you click below on the subscribe button. Make sure you smash the thumbs up. Let me know if you got value in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If there's something specific you would like for me to create a tutorial training video on, and I will make sure and do that for you. Thank you so much. Hope you got a ton of value. See you on the next video.